Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It feels great to be back. I needed that break. Like, you don't even know, you don't understand. I've been so stressed and everything. If only I can tell you what's been really going on with my life, but that's private. Other than that, let's get started. We do want to start by priming our face. This makes your skin feel so fresh. It's called Skin Love. So if you ever find it in Sephora, then go ahead and buy my girl, because this is for you. It's for dry skin and everything. So kind of mix it like so. Once we're done with all that, we put foundation, of course, and then kind of just put the amount that we want. I just like, in my opinion, I like putting this type of amount on my face. I feel like it's not a lot, like that much if you really think about it. So the next step, you do want to put this Milk makeup in the shade Translucent Medium. You can't really see the shade. Actually, you can. You can tell that it's kind of like medium. Not like a dark color, but like the perfect one. So let's do that right now. Let's get some, put right here, and then. And I'm sorry about the background. I'm washing clothes right now. So I went ahead and put the concealer like on the spots I was supposed to put it on. But the reason why I don't do that often is because people like to often bake their face, and I'm not that type to bake my face, because I'm already like naturally pretty. Not to sound conceited or anything, but you know, I'm gorgeous. So I did went ahead and apply the rest of the makeup where it was supposed to go, because I forgot to do that. So let's watch me do that. Okay, well, now to blend it and everything, as y'all can see. And I think we're done. So as y'all can see, we don't have the best lighting right now, but we're not done with my face yet. I just wanted to show y'all what on the daily basis. I take care of my daughter. I feed her, take her out for picture and whatever, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna feed her, and after all that, we'll get back to the makeup. See ya in a bit. So as y'all can see, my daughter is reading, because that's what she does. That's her little routine. And yeah. So we're gonna use the Smashbox palette for the bronzer and for the blush too, because I always use it. They're beautiful colors. So yeah, let's get started and do that. And I always mix it because that's just how I do it. At least that's how you're supposed to do it. So I did get the Luxie 510 foundation brush in the BoxyCharm, but I don't know. I kind of opened that box, as y'all can see, because I got this out of that box. And well, since it says foundation, we're not gonna use foundation because I already went ahead and do that. So we're gonna use bronzer and put some on top right here, because I feel like it's a good brush to use that on. So my hair is gonna be all over the place. I don't feel like this brush is good to use on foundation. If you ask me, this brush is good enough for bronzing. So we're gonna do these two, this dark one and the Diva one. I'm not done yet because I'm gonna fix it and everything. So I know it's a little dark, but I will do the other eye off camera. Okay, so this is not the best eye look I've ever done. I've done better looks, but maybe I'm just not feeling my makeup today or something. But we're gonna apply the highlight because it's the best part of the face for me. I still haven't done my eyebrows, but I'll do that off camera too, and the mascara, and I will see y'all in a bit. So I went ahead and changed my outfit because I wasn't feeling it, but this is the look, which I think doesn't look good. I know it's not the best look ever, but we're just gonna go with it, you know, because a girl gotta get the day started and, you know, take my daughter out for pictures and maybe take her for a walk or something, wherever she wants. But later on in the day, maybe like around 7, I'll take her to the park or so. But I don't think I'm gonna record that part because it's gonna be too late to upload the video. I like to upload it like early, you know, but that's it. Oh yeah, what I forgot to tell y'all is that I already set my face. I put this setting spray on. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. It's the Make It Last Milani setting spray. So this smells amazing. It's my day 1 setting spray. This is my day 2. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter. I wonder what they call it. I'm kidding. I know why they call it an all nighter, because it lasts forever. So let's set this one. Set my face. Not really. I am, to be honest, in my opinion, I don't like the smell of this one. But this one, the Make It Last one, smells amazing. Get you some. Now let's get the day started with my daughter. So as y'all can see, the clouds are black right now, I guess, and it's about to get ugly outside. Oh my gosh, I saw that. I got that on camera. That was so scary. Our plans were to take my daughter some pictures outside, but it's like super humid outside. It's ugly. So my day is canceled right now. Oh well. Holy crap. It's raining cats and dogs. It's okay, but wow, that's terrible. So I'm done fixing my hair and everything because I don't know if I said it in my video, but yeah, I'm done now. So I'm sorry that this video didn't last that long. I know it's kind of suckish. I wish it was longer, but we really don't have the time to record the whole day because of the weather. I am so sorry. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Remember to subscribe if you like my videos, and let your friends know that I make some funny ass videos. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.